What if you could earn passive income from a place with no banks, no jobs, and no people? A frozen, red desert 140 million miles away. It sounds like a sci-fi movie. But the financial groundwork for humanity's next frontier is already being laid. Today, we're going to explore the very different paths to generating income from Mars. One is a real crypto game you can check out today. And the other is a speculative bet on the future of physical Martian real estate. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about looking over the horizon to the next great economic expansion. Let's get into it. The problem, as our world gets more connected and crowded. Investors and big thinkers are always searching for the next frontier for centuries. That meant crossing oceans. Today, it's space. Companies like SpaceX are deep in the process of developing plans for self-sustaining cities on Mars. Elon Musk's vision isn't just about planting a flag. It's about building a society, an economy, and a backup drive for humanity. But for most of us, this feels impossibly far away. How can you participate in an economy that doesn't even exist yet? How do you get a financial foothold on a world we haven't even stepped on? It feels like a game reserved for billionaires and aerospace giants. But the tools being built today are creating some new and very risky opportunities. The bridge. So today, we're exploring the potential paths that could bridge that gap. Think of them as two different kinds of bets on the future. The first path is on the digital frontier. It's something you can access right now from your computer, involving cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and play-to-earn gaming. The second path is on the physical frontier. This is the ultimate long-term. High-risk speculation. It's about the market for actual Martian real estate. Let's start in the digital world, because that's where the action is happening right now. Part 1, the digital frontier. The first way people are trying to earn passive income from Mars is through digital property in a blockchain game. A fascinating and cautionary case study is a game called Mars Colony. It launched around 2021 with a digital map split into 21,000 plots. First, you'd buy a land NFT by owning this plot. You became a stakeholder. The main way to earn was through staking. You'd lock up your NFT and earn rewards in the CLNY token. It was sold as a universal basic income for landowners. But this brings us to the harsh reality. If you look for Mars Colony today, in 2026, you'll find a ghost town. The hype has vanished. Successful games now need token sinks, reasons to spend tokens inside the game, like crafting or upgrading assets. Without these sinks, the token value craters. That's the critical lesson. A strong economy beats a big promise every time. So that's the digital path, a frontier riddled with the high risks of a brand new, experimental market. Now let's zoom out. Part 2, the physical frontier. Can you actually buy land on Mars? The short answer is no. The long answer is interesting. The 1967 Outer Space Treaty says no nation can claim sovereignty over a celestial body. No nation can give you a legally binding deed. It lies in a vision pushed by Dr. Robert Zubrin. He argues a future colony would have to create its own property rights to function. Zubrin compares it to the American West. The government sold land to pioneers, and that revenue helped fund operations. The true speculative bet is on the companies building the tech. You're investing in the picks and shovels of the Martian gold rush. Beyond digital and physical land, consider asteroid mining. Metals in asteroids like 16 Psyche are worth quintillions of dollars. Maybe the most realistic is intellectual property. The biggest export from a Mars colony might not be metal, but patents. Whether these Martian economies ever boot up is anyone's guess, but the groundwork is being laid today. What do you think? Remember, this isn't financial advice. If you enjoyed this trip to the future, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.